Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will take you on an enchanting journey to Hungary, a country that blends ancient history with stunning natural beauty. From the magnificent Budapest to charming villages and famous thermal baths, Hungary has a lot to offer every traveler. If you love exploring new cultures and learning about the history of different countries, this video is the perfect place for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any updates. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Let's start this delightful journey together.
Hungary, also known as Magyarország, is a country located in Central Europe, bordered by Austria, Slovakia, Ukraine, Romania, Serbia, Croatia, and Slovenia. Its capital and largest city is Budapest. Location: Hungary is situated in the Carpathian Basin, a landlocked country characterized by diverse terrain that includes vast plains, hills, and highlands. History: Hungary has a long and complex history that dates back to the Middle Ages. The Hungarian kingdom was established in the 9th century and has experienced numerous prosperous and turbulent periods. It was part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire until the end of World War I. After World War II, Hungary became a communist state under Soviet influence until the fall of communism in Eastern Europe in the late 1980s. Climate: Hungary has a temperate continental climate with hot summers and cold winters. Summer temperatures range between 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, while winter temperatures can drop below freezing.
Population: Hungary has a population of approximately 9.6 million people. The vast majority of the population are Hungarians, with small minority groups including Romani, Gypsies, and Slovaks. Economy: Hungary has a mixed, advanced economy and is considered one of the largest economies in Central and Eastern Europe. The main sectors include manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Budapest is a significant financial center in the region. Development: Hungary has seen significant development since joining the European Union in 2004. Infrastructure has improved, and the tourism sector has grown notably, with Budapest being a major tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors annually. Government: Hungary is a parliamentary republic, with a democratically elected parliament that chooses the prime minister. The political system is based on a constitution that has been amended multiple times since independence from the Soviet Union.
Cities and major landmarks. Prominent cities in Hungary include Budapest, the capital and largest city, known for its historical landmarks such as Buda Castle, Chain Bridge, and Székely thermal baths. Budapest is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe and a major tourist destination. The city is located on both sides of the Danube River, which divides it into two main parts, Buda in the west and Pest in the east. Geographical location: Budapest is situated in central Hungary and occupies a strategic position on the Danube River, making it an important commercial and cultural center throughout history. Budapest has a long history dating back to Roman times. The current city was established in 1873 through the merger of three cities, Buda, Óbuda, and Pest. Budapest has played a significant role in Hungary's history and has been the center of many important historical events, such as the Hungarian Revolution of 1956. Population: Budapest has a population of approximately 1.7 million people, making it the most populous city in Hungary. The city is a multicultural hub, home to many foreigners and international students.
Economy: Budapest is the main economic hub of Hungary, hosting numerous global companies, banks, and financial institutions. Tourism plays a significant role in the city's economy, attracting millions of visitors annually. Infrastructure and transportation: Budapest boasts a well-developed infrastructure that includes a modern metro system, trams, and buses. The city is also home to Budapest Liszt Ferenc International Airport, which connects it to many global destinations. Tourist attractions: Budapest is rich in historical and cultural landmarks, including Buda Castle, a historical complex housing museums and historic buildings overlooking the Danube River. Hungarian Parliament Building, a massive and impressive structure with stunning architecture. It is one of the largest parliament buildings in the world. Chain Bridge, a historic bridge connecting Buda and Pest, it is one of the city's most iconic symbols. Sekeni Thermal Baths, one of the largest thermal bath complexes in Europe, offering a unique relaxation experience. St. Stephen's Basilica, the largest church in Budapest and one of the most important religious landmarks. Culture and arts, Budapest is a significant cultural center, home to numerous theaters, opera houses, museums, and art galleries. The Budapest Spring Festival and the Sziget Festival are among the major cultural events that draw visitors from around the world. Budapest is a city that blends rich history with urban development, making it a unique destination for tourism, culture, and business. Its natural beauty, architectural splendor, and cultural richness ensure an unforgettable experience for every visitor.
Debrecen, the second largest city in Hungary, known for its educational institutions and St. Anne's Basilica. Debrecen is the second largest city in Hungary and the capital of Hajdú-Bihar County. Located in the eastern part of the country, it is an important cultural and educational center. Geographical location, Debrecen is situated in the Great Hungarian Plain, Alfold, in eastern Hungary, approximately 220 kilometers east of the capital, Budapest. The city serves as a major gateway to Romania due to its proximity to the border. History, founded in the 13th century, Debrecen has played a significant role in Hungary's history. In the 16th century, it became a center for Protestantism in the country. During the Hungarian Revolution of 1848 to 1849, Debrecen temporarily served as the capital of Hungary. Population, Debrecen has a population of about 200,000 people, making it the second largest city in Hungary. The city has a diverse population, including many international students, thanks to the renowned University of Debrecen. Economy, Debrecen's economy is diverse, encompassing agriculture, industry, and services. The city is a key industrial center in eastern Hungary and hosts numerous global companies. Additionally, tourism plays a significant role in Debrecen's economy.
Education. The University of Debrecen is one of the oldest and largest universities in Hungary, founded in 1538. It offers a wide range of academic programs and attracts many international students. Tourist attractions. Debrecen is home to numerous cultural and tourist attractions, including St. Anne's Basilica, a large church and one of the city's most important religious landmarks. Dury Museum houses a wide collection of art and natural history. Nagyerdő, Great Forest, a vast green space featuring a zoo, botanical garden, and sports facilities. National Theatre of Debrecen, a significant cultural center offering various theatrical and musical performances. Culture and arts. Debrecen is a cultural hub in eastern Hungary, hosting numerous festivals and cultural events throughout the year, such as the Debrecen Flower Carnival held in August. Transportation. Debrecen has a well-developed transportation network, including trams and buses. The city also has a small international airport, making it easily accessible from other cities. Debrecen combines rich history with urban development and serves as an important educational and cultural center in Hungary. It offers visitors a unique cultural and educational experience thanks to its university and diverse tourist attractions.
Szeged, a university city known for its summer festival and cultural infrastructure. Szeged is the third largest city in Hungary and serves as an important economic and cultural center in the southern part of the country. It is situated on the banks of the Tisza River and is renowned for its sunny climate and prestigious university. Geographical location. Szeged is located in southern Hungary, near the borders with Serbia and Romania. It is approximately 170 kilometers southeast of the capital, Budapest. Its strategic location has historically made it an important commercial center. History. Founded in ancient times, Szeged has a long and complex history. The city has experienced many prosperous and challenging periods, including the devastating floods of 1879. After which it was rebuilt into a modern and beautiful city. Population. Szeged has a population of around 160,000 people. It is a major urban and educational center in the region, with a diverse population that includes a significant number of students. Economy. Szeged's economy is diverse, encompassing agriculture, industry, and services. The city is known for producing red pepper and other agricultural products. The University of Szeged plays a major role in the local economy by attracting students and researchers.
Education. The University of Szeged is one of the oldest and largest universities in Hungary, founded in 1872. It is an important academic and research center, offering a wide range of academic programs. Tourist attractions. Szeged is home to numerous cultural and tourist attractions, including Szeged Cathedral, one of the largest churches in Hungary and a symbol of the city. Mora Ferenc Museum, showcasing the history and art of the region. Dom Square, a large square that hosts many events and festivals. Szeged Botanical Garden, featuring a wide variety of plants, it is an ideal place for relaxation. Culture and arts. Szeged is a major cultural center, hosting numerous festivals and cultural events throughout the year. The Szeged Open Air Festival is one of the city's most prominent cultural events, featuring a variety of theatrical and musical performances. Transportation. Szeged has a well-developed transportation network, including buses and trams. The city is well connected to the rest of Hungary through a network of highways and railways. Szeged combines rich history with modern urban development and is a significant educational, cultural, and economic center in southern Hungary. It offers visitors a rich and diverse experience with its historical landmarks and vibrant cultural scene.
Thank you for watching this video about Hungary, a country that beautifully blends the charm of the past with the wonders of the present. We hope you enjoyed the journey and found the information we shared valuable. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. We also invite you to hit the like button and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us continue delivering quality content. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.